Okay, this is just a quick overview of how to attach this add-on, which is for going onto round pipes like steel or stainless steel pipes, if that's what you're using for your posts. Okay, so I'm just going to show you on this existing unit we have installed. This would mount in front of here with the supplied bolts to bolt through here. You'd mount it up onto here before you bolt this on, and then you put your strap around, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And on the top, it's the same thing. You have it facing up like this. You'd attach it onto here, and you'd use your original hardware to do that, and this would clamp onto it. So I'm going to show you how to attach this to the post. So they come with these round pegs. They sit in here and rest on there. That's where your bolt's going to come through, and that's what you're going to tighten up against. You're going to have some larger 3/8 carriage bolts. And 3/8 carriage bolts can go through like this, and they'll go through the existing holes in your channel. That's how you're going to tighten this up here. And then you're also going to have 1/4 inch carriage bolts with a washer. And that's what goes through here. I'm going to show you. So these are the plates that you're going to use. So the first thing you're going to do, you can see, is there's one longer section and a shorter section. So you're going to bend this one over to roughly 90 degrees. You can just put your pliers on it and bend it around like that. That's good enough. Okay. Then this is going to sit like this in here. Okay. So you take your bolt, stick it right on through, and there you go. So it goes on there like this. Okay, so we're going to go over to a post and we're going to show you how to install this. First thing you do, wrap it around and you get close to the diameter that you're going to go in. Something like that. And usually this is going to be right on the ground, so it's much easier to do than trying to do it in the air. But for the video, it makes it a little bit easier to see what's going on by doing it in the air. Like that. And then so then you pick one that is close to where it's supposed to be. So I would say in this case, we should be able to reach that one there. So we'll try and bend it right there. Can you grab me one of those plates, those little tiny plates there? Thank you. Drop one in there. Once again, much easier on the ground. Through there. Okay. And then we just got to tighten it up. Okay. Should be, try and make sure it's in between there. I made a little bit of a mistake there. And now she's good and solid on there. So once you got that done, then you can go over here. Just watch it a little bit. You don't want to break it off over there. And if you bend it back and forth a few times, there. And that's in place. And that's it. And then if you have a hammer, there's those down and around just so they don't hurt anybody. And that's it. Lets you go all the way up to an 8-inch post.